Hi, I'm Kate from Paperless Post, and today I'll show you how to add blocks to your invitation event page. Once you've finished customizing your design and entering the event details, you may want to add more information for your guests. Paperless Post makes it easy with blocks, which are additional organized sections on your event page that allow you to share photos, videos, links, travel information, and more. Get started by clicking Add Blocks on the left side of your event details page. Then, choose the blocks that are relevant for your event. Include a details block to share additional event details like dress code information, parking instructions, or anything else your guests would find useful to know. This block allows you to adjust the formatting of your text and add a hyperlink to an external website if you like. If you have a registry for your event, such as a wedding or baby shower, link to one or multiple using a registry block. Within this block, you can include a description, add links, customize button text, and add notes for each registry. Click on Design Options to toggle the registry icon at the top of this block on or off. If guests will be traveling for your event, add an accommodations block to share information on hotel or lodging options. Here you'll be able to add links for different hotel options along with photos of the properties, addresses, and any additional notes such as price points, which locations are closest to your venue, or where you have a block of rooms reserved. These accommodation options will appear as a gallery your guests can browse through. Similarly, you can add a travel block to share details about your event's venue, nearby airports, and transportation options. Other blocks you might consider adding are a schedule block to let guests know the order of events, a links block to add clickable links to external websites, or a gifts block with preferred gifting information, a wish list, or links in the absence of a registry. By upgrading to Paperless Post Plus, you'll gain access to even more blocks, which may be especially useful if you're hosting a wedding or corporate event, or just want to share more with your guests. Add a photo gallery block to upload multiple images for guests to view. You can adjust each photo's size, cropping, and orientation, and include captions. A video block allows you to upload a video of up to 25 megabytes in size from your device, or embed a link from YouTube or Vimeo. If you're hosting a professional event such as a seminar, conference, or fundraiser, you may want to include a speakers block to provide information on the event's speakers and notable attendees. Add each speaker's title, name, photo, website, and social media links. Include a sponsors block to add business logos and details thanking the partners who helped to make your event possible. If you're sending out wedding invitations, add a wedding party block to introduce guests to members of the wedding party. Add their names, roles, photos, and any additional notes you want to share. Have a question about adding blocks to your Paperless Post invitation? Feel free to contact our customer operations team. See you next time!